Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and I'm saying hi from my iPhone after a very long period of time. I've been using some other accessories that I have, which is my Pocket 3 or my Osmo Nano, or in general a lot of other things that I have that I used to shoot. But what is the video about? I need to restart. I am gonna challenge myself, and I kid you not, this is gonna be legit a challenge, okay? To vlog every day for straight 30 days. I don't know how am I going to do that. I have no plan, but I think I need to make a plan. I am not going to use any of my fancy gadgets, which is I'm not going to use my Osmo Nano. I may once in a while use my Pocket 3 once in a while, but mostly I'm thinking that I'm going to use my phone only. For the editing as well, I'm going to do it on my phone. I think it's going to be fun and it's going to be very stressful, I guess, but let's see. Let's try doing that. Okay. So today is what? Today is Wednesday. I'm working from home. अभी शाम का time हो चुका है. Actually, work is over. Not my personal though. And I just had lunch. I know काफी late lunch किया है, but that's okay. I think it's time to have tea. So I'm gonna go मेक टी बिकॉज उसके बिना मेरा दिमाग नहीं चलता है. सुबह मैंने एक्चुअली कॉफी मंगाई थी एंड अभी भी इसमें कॉफी रखी हुई है, बट आई एम नॉट अ कॉफी पर्सन, तो आई एम नॉट गोना हैव इट एनीमोर. ओह माय गॉड. ओ नहीं, इट वाज ऑन. आई थॉट कि ये पूरा टाइम मेरा माइक ऑन ही नहीं था. द लाइट ऐसे छुपी हुई थी. दैट्स ओके, होता है होता है. होप एक्सपायरिंग इन क्लॉक. नहीं, ओके. कप नहीं साफ है तो अभी देखो, जितना सच में बताऊं, जितनी चाय मेरे को पसंद है, दिस इज इलायची बाय द वे, जितनी चाय हमको पसंद है उतनी ही वाहियात चाय हम बनाते हैं. आई हैव नो आइडिया व्हाई. ठीक है, मेरे को बिल्कुल चाय का अंदाजा नहीं लगता है. There are days when whatever I make is good. There are days when whatever I make is like really bad. So we'll see what kind of a day it is today. इलायची डाल दिए तो मुझे अदरक नहीं डालना चाहिए, आई गेस. डन वन मोर थिंग. मैंने माइक भी हटा दिया है. द ओनली रीजन इज कि मैंने सोचा जब बेसिक जा ही रहे तो कोई बहुत ही बेसिक चले जाते हैं. फिर लेट मी नॉट यूज माइक ऑल्सो. मतलब क्रेजी हो जाएगा अगर विदाउट यूजिंग ऑल द इक्विपमेंट्स जो मैंने इतना फैंसी 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 खरीदा, उसके बाद इफ माई ब्लॉग स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट, दैट विल बी क्रेजी. I've done a lot of investment into a lot of equipments like mics and cameras and gimbals, tripods and so many things. अभी एक और tripod है जो मैंने order किया और आ रहा है. So see, like so much stuff that I have done, and उसके बाद if basics work out, that'll be crazy. That'll be really crazy. Strong. Oh, okay. So that's my Samsung tablet. I've not used it for a while. मैंने एक्चुअली कोई भी अपना टैबलेट बहुत ज़्यादा लंबे टाइम से यूज़ नहीं किया है. सो इट वाज इन चार्ज, सो आई नीड टू यूज इट अ बिट, अदरवाइज इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स ऐसे पड़े पड़े खराब हो जाते हैं. सो या आई क्लीनड इट, रीस्टार्टेड इट, चार्ज्ड इट, एंड दैट्स इट. Now I'm just gonna go watch a vlog, have enjoy my tea, and then probably I move on to the next task. I need to prioritize my things a bit better because क्या होता है कि there are a lot of things that I want to do, there are a lot of things that I need to do, but मैं ऐसे सोचती ही रह जाती हूँ उनके बारे में. मैं एक्चुअली उनको कर नहीं पाती. सो आई नीड टू एक्चुअली सिट डाउन. Motivation takes motivation, guys. I think that's the issue. That's the gap. So yeah, I'm gonna motivate myself to just stand up and do things. Let's go. Okay, so I finished my tea, and मैं थोड़ा सा actually plan बना रही थी कि how will I exactly do all the filming and stuff. For the editing, I have downloaded an app called Velo, and I've taken the subscription also. It's not really that expensive, and I have taken that actually. There's a girl called, I don't remember her name. I mean, she does very beautiful aesthetic vlogs. I love her Instagram, like entire account and stuff. And she suggested this app, VLLO Velo. Although she uses it on her iPad, I'm gonna give it a shot. Whether the and plus uske subscription ke saath hai na, a lot of the things that come with it. For example, audio effects, music, gifs, stickers. To be able, you will be able to draw a lot of the things as well, animate and stuff. I think most of the things that I need for my editing, I think I'll be able to get that on that app. So that is why I've taken it, and let's see how that goes. I'll do the editing and everything on my phone only, but once the video is uploaded and done, I'm gonna move all the media to my SSD so that I have space on my phone. Sure. So this is where I'm gonna keep all of my, and again it's very portable, it's very small, so this can I can live with. Another is I am also going to rely a lot on my charger, the extra power back, because I'm going to use my device a lot. I think charging is something that I'm really worried about, so I already have a power bank with me. मैंने उसको already charging पे डाल दिया because I know I'm going to use it a lot. I've never edited any of my vlog. मैंने कोई भी long form content अभी तक कभी अपने phone पे shoot नहीं किया है. I have no idea how I'm going to pull this off. But anyways, let's just do it. I don't care. Even if this turns out to be bad, let's go. Let's just do it. Thank you so much for watching this video. And tomorrow we're gonna do 30 days challenge. So no more 1 week wait. I'm gonna post another video tomorrow. And yeah, keep supporting, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Oh, how do you do this? Wait.